Hey guys, Riley back with another review of this ceiling fan that I was very generously gifted in return for an honest review. So I'm going to give you a little close-up look here. It's actually like a hollow wood, and it's a really nice kind of like beechwood finish. And then it comes with this little remote, so you can put everything on a timer. You can choose your fan speed. You can turn the fan on and off, and then you can turn the light on and off. So it has a warm and an LED. This is the LED, and you just turn it on and off to switch it out. And then this is the warm light. So you can see the fan a lot better whenever I have the light off, but it's this nice like brushed nickel finish. Was easy to install, so highly recommend it. It's very quiet and gives off lots of air, and then obviously you can make it go whichever direction you want, so it's blowing air up or down.